2 months after their marriage proposal, Teresa, Ugoji, and Ike part ways. 2 months after their most publicized engagement, Ultimate Love reality stars Teresa Ugoji and Ike have decided to part ways and build their lives separately. A post shared by Teresa shows they both decided to go their separate ways after the love and affection they showed each other, but unfortunately, Teresa then gave reason as to why they decided to end their relationship. According to her, they both decided to go their separate ways, which they believe is the best for them, and they hope their fans and loved ones will respect their decision as they forge ahead with their lives and career. Teresa then apologized to all their fans, lovers, and all those who believed in them, expecting them to get married after their most publicized marriage proposal for letting them down by parting ways, but that's best for them. Almost everyone thought they are going to walk down the aisle, and we are expecting to see how amazing it will be as their marriage proposal was spectacular. But guess none of that will happen now that they have parted ways. For now, we know Teresa and I are no more in a relationship, but the cause of their breakup is yet to be known, since Teresa didn't make it known to us when she was announcing their breakup on social media page. She wrote, "I'm sorry to all Krisa lovers and believers, but we have decided to go our separate ways, which we believe is best for us. We hope you respect our decision as we forge ahead with our lives and career."